Hello YouTubers and welcome to Red Blonde Fox self-album upload tutorial. So this is probably my first tutorial guide here on YouTube. I usually don't upload a lot of content to YouTube. However, I am working on a project and had a problem that I recently solved and was like, you know what? This probably isn't another one of my me being me problems, so I have created this video hoping it might help anyone else out there. Okay, so the problem that I was having was trying to figure out how to upload an audio file using just the audio and an image file. However, YouTube doesn't appear to allow its users to upload audio content from neither the site or the app. And for me, that was a problem. As I mentioned earlier, I am working on a project and need to upload audio files to YouTube. I eventually did find a way to do this. Well, probably several, but the one we're going to talk about is one way. So, if you have a Windows 10, you can use the video editor that comes with it. And what you want to do is go to the video editor. If you're using a laptop or a desktop computer, click on the video editor to open it. Once the video editor loads up, you have to look at the top and click on Custom Audio and pick out the audio file that you want to add. So for me, I decided to click on this tutorial. Then you can go over to the project library if you haven't done so and pick out the image file that you want to add. And please make certain that you are the original owner of the image for copyright reasons. Otherwise, all YouTube is going to do is just delete your own video. You don't want that. Now the tricky part is when you tap on the custom audio in the right hand top corner of your screen and you go down to the button and look for the duration and click on it, you are going to have to do a bit of converting and kind of doing some number guessing. What I mean by that is you want to kind of like go into there and try to figure out how long your video is and try to figure out the number of seconds to minutes, which is kind of confusing because the second and minutes conversion is kind of weird. I'm actually kind of go there real quickly so I can show you. So hit duration. So once you get to like the duration, you'll see where it says 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5, and 7. And then you have like this box for you can custom add seconds to it. And what you want to do is you kind of want to type in the number of seconds that your video is going to be. So for this video, once I get done, I'm going to just type in the number of seconds that I want the video to play for. And the thing to remember here is the longer the seconds, the longer the video will be. So if you are doing a 20-minute video, you don't want to put in 20 at all. You really want to put in like 1200 or 1200 for the seconds, so that will give you 20 minutes. If you want to do a 15-minute video, you probably would put 900 seconds. And let me try this one. I think if you put 300 for the seconds, you should get a 5-minute video. Yeah, so I'm sorry. So if you're doing some like anything over 100 seconds, you want to kind of make sure you have that figured out. And really 100 seconds will give you a minute. And try not to get the dot at the end of the numbers confused, because there's like on the screen where I'm looking at, it has 1 and then the semicolons to represent the next set of numbers for the time 40, which is 40 seconds, and then there's like a dot and 00. And I'm about to change this because I know this is not going to be no 1 minute and 40-second video. So you really want to make sure you get those seconds figured out, so you won't have a weird video that's not showing everything that you want to present. And you really do gotta kind of play around with it too, as you probably can hear me on my computer typing, to kind of get the time just right. So, okay, I think that's right for this video. Okay, let me do that right there. Okay, that's about right. So yeah, you kind of want to really just play around with it and see what works, what doesn't, and once you figure that out, you should be good to go. Okay, so I need to probably put that as 6. Nope. Basically, what you probably hear me doing is just playing around with it. Now with the duration thing, you might come across this issue where it may not give you the exact time that you want it to be. That's cool too, because it's like kind of rounding itself off. But you kind of want to make sure you come close to it as possible. Your goal is just to come as close as possible to the amount of time that you want for your video. And it does take some playing around to figure out what works and what doesn't. Okay, I'm going to end this video, but hopefully that helps somebody out. And y'all have a nice day.